I have a in focus, I'm not sure what the model is, LP290. It has a problem where it will automatically turn itself off when you're watching it. The screen will flash a bright color and it just turns itself off. The only way to get it turned back on again is to give it a light thump on the top. And then it turns back on and runs for a while, anywhere from a minute to an hour, just kind of depends. The issue appears to be the contact on the main AC to DC power board. I will put in a couple of photographs that show more accurately the corrosion on the contacts here. Basically, you just want to scrape it off with the tip of a knife. Being careful to not gouge out any of the material itself, and leave it bright and shiny, just like this side is now. The flip side that plugs into is this green clip right here, which is considerably more difficult to clean. Basically, the only thing you can really do is to dust it out really well, maybe use a toothpick with paper towel wrapped around it or something, but most of what you can do is on this connector right here.